Welcome everyone, in this short guide I will show you how to adjust the field of view in Battlefield 6. Enjoy! So to change these settings you have to at first open the settings by using this gear icon here. Now move to the graphics tab and in here scroll down a little bit. In camera settings tab you can see the field of view. You can use this slider to set the horizontal field of view. Of course it depends on your own preferences. If you play this game for a while, then you will see which field of view is the best for you. You should just test it and change in-game. That would be all for this video. I hope you like it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!